Do you ever find yourself feeling down, overwhelmed by life's challenges, or simply in need of an emotional outlet? If so, you're not alone. Many people experience these feelings on a regular basis and struggle to find healthy ways to cope. But what if I told you that there is a powerful tool at your disposal that can help you channel and express those emotions? Enter blues guitar. The language of blues guitar is rich with emotion and has been used for decades as a means of catharsis and self-expression. By learning to play the blues, you can tap into this expressive art form and use it as a vehicle for processing your own emotions. In this article, we will explore how playing blues guitar can help you navigate through difficult times, provide an outlet for self-expression, and ultimately bring healing to your soul. Emotional objectives. Tapping into your feelings. Life often throws curveballs our way: heartbreaks, losses, disappointments, leaving us feeling overwhelmed by negative emotions such as sadness or frustration. The first step towards finding solace is acknowledging these emotions rather than suppressing them. Playing the blues allows us to connect with our feelings on a deeper level. It gives voice to our pain and provides an avenue for release. Unique rationale. A therapeutic journey. Engaging in any form of artistic expression has therapeutic benefits. However, playing the blues takes it one step further by allowing us to externalize our internal struggles through music. The rawness and vulnerability inherent in this genre resonate deeply within ourselves while offering comfort through shared experiences. What you will get out of it. Healing through music. By immersing yourself in the world of blues guitar, you'll gain more than just musical skills. You'll discover a profound sense of healing from within. You'll find an outlet for your emotions, allowing you to process and release them in a healthy way. You'll experience a sense of connection with others who have walked similar paths, fostering empathy and understanding. You'll develop resilience as you learn to navigate through the complexities of the blues, mirroring the ups and downs of life. How to begin? Embracing the blues. To embark on this transformative journey, start by acquiring a guitar suitable for playing blues. Whether it's an acoustic or electric guitar, choose one that resonates with you emotionally. Next, familiarize yourself with basic chord progressions commonly found in blues music, such as the 12 bars blues progression, and begin practicing them at your own pace. Expanding on points, techniques and styles. As you progress in your blues guitar journey, explore various techniques that add depth and emotion to your playing. Bending strings. This technique allows you to express longing or tension by bending notes slightly out of pitch. Vibrato. Adding vibrato to sustained notes creates a wavering effect that conveys intensity or sadness. Slides. Sliding between notes can evoke feelings of longing or yearning. Experimenting with different styles within the genre, such as Delta blues or Chicago blues, will help you find your unique voice as a guitarist. Conclusion. Letting your emotions soar. Playing the blues is not just about learning scales or memorizing songs. It's about connecting with something deeper within ourselves. It's about giving our emotions a voice when words fail us. By channeling our feelings through this expressive art form, we can find solace, healing, and ultimately discover new ways to navigate life's challenges. So, if you're feeling blue today or any other day, consider picking up a guitar and letting its soulful sound be your guide towards emotional release. Remember that every note played is an opportunity to connect with yourself and others, to find solace in shared experiences, and to let your emotions soar freely. Embrace the language of blues guitar, and you'll be amazed at the transformative power it holds within your fingertips.